welcome to another unboxing video for the Transporter T4 crystal LED lights. Let's get them unboxed. As you can see, these are red and smoked. They are also MOT compliant, E-marked and fully road legal. So as we can see on the back, they are designed to fit the original bulb holders from the T4. The top LED section on these lights are the brake and the side lights. So the bulb adapter here, as shown, twists into the bulb holder. These lights are really sturdy. They come with a pair of stick-on reflectors and 2 orange bulbs should you need them. Let's get these illuminated.